Take some to Taco. Take some to Taco, please. But she doesn't. Just take her some fish, please. I think this is a baby. Let's feed it. Let's give it some food. It's a cutie. Let's feed it. I think that's a baby. Oh, that is so cute. Can we feed it? Oh, it smells so good in here. What you cooking, Alex? Sure smell good. Ooh, we're in for a treat. Yes. Delicious. Yum, yum, yum. So pretty. this bird. Do we have anything to give him? A little piece of fish, maybe? We can't feed him.
You can't feed this one. Do you know what type of food is this?
It's not that the body is hungry, no, it's flying here and here.
He just hit the wall.
He hit the
this
wall.
wall.
Then he's hurt. No, 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 leave him, Alex. Just leave him. Okay, just leave him. That's my pet now. I don't know what you just said, but it's okay. That's my pet now. You know, pets, animals choose who they choose their people, You want summer milk. You smell that good food, huh? So Alex says this is an African kingfisher. Sure is pretty. Oh, pygmy African kingfisher. Sure is pretty.